Hey everybody, good morning. It is Monday, April 27th. I know by now most of you know that after May 8th there's no new content. So we have 2 weeks to get this story finished. That means we're going to start reading 2 chapters per day. That would lead us right into that last week and a final summative. We'll keep Tuesdays as our online learning day, so no reading on Tuesday, but every other day we'll be reading 2 chapters. For today, you are reading chapters 21 and 22. Here's the PDF version of the story, and of course, Miss Anderson reading chapter 21 and chapter 22. Okay, maybe take this time to go back, start making sure you have all of your graded work turned in. That is what we're going to be looking for, that you have all graded assignments turned in. One way you can check is by going to PowerSchool. If you don't see a grade and you feel like you've turned it in, please send me or Miss Anderson an email and let us know, because we'll need to go back and check that. Because just as you probably get lost in all of your assignments and what you've submitted or not, it's easy for us to get lost in weeks past and locating assignments. So if you've turned something in after it was due, we may not have seen that or caught it, so just let us know. Okay? Otherwise, let us know if you have any questions. You can email us or reach out. We'll be in a Google Meet tomorrow at 2 p.m. Hope to see you then. Have a great day today. Bye.